Hello everyone, welcome back to our JavaScript tutorial series. Today we will dive into understanding a powerful algorithm for counting range sums within a given range. So let me read the problem statement for you guys that given an integer array nums and two integer lower and upper, return the number of range sums that lie in lower upper inclusives. So range sum S of I comma j is defined as the sum of the elements in nums between indices I and j inclusively, where I is less than or equals to j. So here is the example they have given it. Input nums equals to -2, 5, -1, lower equals to -2 and upper equals to 2. So output should be 3. So the three ranges are like 0, 0, 2, 2, 0, 2, and their respective sums are -2, -1 and 2. So likewise the example 2 also. So I have already written the code because it's a kind of very big code, and in the minimum time it was not possible, so I already written it. I just run the code, I haven't submitted it. So let's see whether it will accept it or not. So before that, I'll explain you the code line by line. So let's start breaking down the JavaScript code line by line. Okay, so first in the first function, count range sums. So we begin with a function called count range sums that takes an array of numbers nums and two integers lower and upper. So this function calculates the number of range sums that fall within the inclusive range lower comma upper. Okay, so first we initialize an array prefix sum to store the prefix sum of the elements in nums. So this will help us quickly compute the sum of any range of elements. So now let's move on to the next part of the code. So this is what I have explained about the count range sum. So let me minimize this. How we can, okay. Okay, so this is the function count while merge sort. Okay, so here we have helper function called count with merge sort, with uses a modified merge sort algorithm to count the range sum. So we recursively divide the array into halves and merge them with counting the range sums that fall within the specified range. Okay, so in conclusion, this algorithm efficiently counts the number of range sums within a given range using prefix sums and a modified merge sort approach. Okay, so this is kind of I have written it. So uh, I'll give the link, problem statement link of a Leetcode question in the description. So go and check it out and try to follow this code and try to understand it. If not, let me know in the comment section. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. So see you in the next video. Thank you. So okay, wait, before that, I'll try to submit this. Yeah, it's accepted. Yeah, thank you. Bye.